This is the Mplus 12 volt impact wrench from Amazon, and it has max torque of 480 Newton meters, which is something in foot pounds. It comes in this beautiful case, which is very durable and can survive many beatings in the back of your car or truck. And what does your DeWalt or Milwaukee or Makita come in? A filthy cardboard box. But look at this, a beautiful plastic case with durable latches that make a nice sound. To let you know that it is unlatched. So here we go. Here is the manual, the electric impact wrench manual. Now, please study carefully. It can only be used with 12 volt DC power. Do not use continuously more than 10 minutes. Do not touch the shaft head. Okay. Do not use sockets not included in this kit. It's a good advice. New fuses rated current should be less than 15 amp. Turn the switch 3 to 5 seconds after the clatter sound is heard. Okay. Alright, so here, turn the power on in the car. Very clear instructions, actually. Here's what's included: the car battery adapter with clamps, the tool, 4 different size sockets, so flip sockets, cigarette adapter. Okay, so let's check out this. It's very nicely laid out. You have some extra fuses. Here's the clamps. Oh, that's neat. They have their own little post to grab onto. Here they are. I believe the fuse must go in here. Oh, I'm not sure where the fuse goes. Very nicely secure in the case. Won't rattle around too much. So you have a 19 millimeter. And you have a 17 millimeter chrome vanadium this size is a 23, and a 21. So here's the tool packed carefully in the plastic packaging. Mplus. So that's loosen and tighten. At first I was like, left and T, what does that stand for? But you have a nice ball detent. Ball detent is really the best one for ease of use of socket removal. No pins needed, and you're not struggling with a hog ring. Ryobi used to make really nice ball detents. Well, that's it, just slips right on. So smooth and easy. No effort needed. It's very small. So here's the connector on the back. So this is the cigarette lighter adapter. Here's the connector. Goes in smoothly. There we go. Now we're ready to slay some lug nuts. So let's go try it out. The only thing I noticed it does not come with is a nice pair of gloves so you don't soil yourself taking off those filthy lug nuts. But hopefully they will change that in the next version and include a little pocket for some gloves. I'm going to take out the impact device, put it firmly onto the lug nut. Now I'm going to hit loosen. And another thing, if you notice, there's not many